What is black box data in a trucking accident? And how fast do I need to act to preserve that evidence in a trucking accident in Decatur, Georgia? Commercial trucks, they have black boxes which record this data, and that can show speed of the truck, braking, how fast they were accelerating right before the accident. And this data can be very crucial as far as the evidence that's needed to prove your case. When it comes to commercial trucks and black box data and other electronic data, that data that needs to be preserved, typically you'll need to have an expert go out to download that data. And when it comes to hiring an expert, you need to know who you need to retain and what letters need to be sent out to make sure that that evidence is preserved so that it doesn't get destroyed. And when it comes to preserving that evidence, the faster that you hire a lawyer, the better, because your lawyer is going to be able to send out what's called a preservation of evidence letter to send to the trucking company and all responsible parties to put them on notice that you want that data saved so that your attorney and their expert can access that data later on so it doesn't get lost. I'm Rob Hardigan of Lionheart Injury Law, and if you were in a trucking accident, please reach out. Our office is located in Decatur, Georgia. Now, when someone calls my office, they're usually not having a great day. They've been hurt, they're confused, they don't know what's coming next. And the first thing I want them to feel, before we even start talking about their case, is that they're talking to somebody who actually gives a damn about what they're going through. I've had people apologize to me for calling, like they were bothering me, and I always tell them the same thing. That's exactly why I'm here. You don't need to have everything figured out. You don't need to know the legal terms or understand how the process works. That's my job. Your job is to focus on getting better. But what I can promise you is this: I will return your calls. I'll be straight with you. And I will fight for you the same way that I'd fight for one of my family members. Because at the end of the day, this isn't just a case. This isn't just a file. It's your life, your recovery, your family stability. And that matters to me every single time. So if you've got questions or you're not sure where to start, just reach out. My team and I are ready and here for you.